welcome back to the Inspired Racing channel. Today there's going to be hopefully a bit of work being done. Since you've last seen, the FC is here obviously, but I also managed to get my 110 up, and I've also set up some of the shed. So I got my toolbox here, got some cabinets up on some, what are they called? I got some shelves set up. I'm not too sure what we're gonna actually see in this video, but I filmed some clips when I was getting the 110 up here, but they didn't really turn out the best. So I'm just gonna throw them in here at the start probably. It's just a couple clips. I might do some voiceover or something just to kind of explain what's happening. But the day I was moving the 110 up, it was pretty bad. It was rainy and the tow truck driver didn't drop it all the way up here, so I had to do some messing around just to get it into the shed. But now that it's up here, I'm actually able to work on it. So I don't know how much I've explained of it before, but the gearbox in this is dead. I'm not really too sure. I'll start it up here in a little bit and kind of show you what it does. But anytime the car's off, I have all gears, but as soon as the car's running, as soon as it's on, it doesn't let me put it in any gear at all. So I just lose all gears, which happened at track days, which is the worst. I was third corner, first run out there, third corner, spun out, went to turn it back on, started, and then I just couldn't drive off the track. I had to get towed off. A bit embarrassing, but stuff happens, cars break down. But since then, it's been probably 8 or 9 months, and it hasn't done anything. I didn't even start it until about last week, but I didn't actually record when I did that. But I got up here, it was just dead battery, changed battery, got it started. It still runs nice, still sounds good. I'll start it again at some point today, and you'll hear that. Before I actually get too far on the 110, I'll show you. I got my toolbox set up here. I brought up my rims because this is currently just on some Aussie Tyre specials, some Hustlers. That was just because it was sitting for ages. But it was actually sitting on these JZX for a lot longer because that's what it broke down on. But I brought the JZX up here, which I actually put on the FC, which will be part of some of the clips I put in. And I got my VSKFs, which are usually on the 110. I don't know if I've actually put any photos or videos of this before on the channel, but it's pretty nice. It's got a kit on it. Windows are really tinted. I'll go a bit more in depth in just a little bit, but yeah, it's not a bad car at all. Front bumper's just up there, but easier getting it towed around and everything without any of the kit on, but there's no chair in it. I'm putting the stock seat back in because I still have it. I don't know if you can see in there, but I've actually set up the bride seat in here. Yeah, I got the bride Lomax, probably definitely a rep. I actually don't know. It's got like some stickers and stuff on it that say it's bride, but I'm pretty positive that it's not. The guy I bought it off said it was real, but I was young and naive, and that was like 4 years ago. Oh yeah, I've done a couple of things since we've last done anything, but yeah, I got the dash that I have just sitting in here because it's the best place to store it. I know it's missing heaps of plastics, but I actually do have some of those, and like the what's it called, the glove box. I've actually got that box on the shelf, and there's those boxes down there. They're all just full of FC stuff. But yeah, so I did actually have everything pulled off the 110, but I've since kind of put it back together just to move because I had this whole assembly out, but I was like, well, it's probably best to move it with that. But it's pretty factory in here. Got the sunroof. I love sunroofs. But basically, The only thing this thing needs now is the factory seat and for me to figure out what is going on with the gearbox. And that's going to be that toughest thing because I don't really know where to start. I'm obviously just going to take it out and hope that it's, I don't know, something easy, but it's probably not. I'll pop the bonnet just so we can look underneath this thing before we get started and sort of tell you what I've done to the car or what's been done, because it's not bad. So as I was saying, it's got some work done to it. It's pretty nice. Got the gold cam gears to match the cam covers, and it's just a Pulsar. I don't remember if I said it before, but Pulsar 3076. But this thing has been a treat. It's got a T51R mod on it. It's nice, but yeah, it's not bad, eh? Not bad at all. I'm pretty happy with it. I should give some more background to this thing. It's actually not a built engine, but it's got a big turbo and cams. 264, 272 cams. What's the turbo? 3076 with 0.82 rear housing, and I think it's 1650 cc, however you say it, 1650 cc injectors, flex fuel. It's got a Blink ECU panic made plug and play. So it makes on low boost 450 horsepower, I think it was, and then high boost it makes 590. So it doesn't mess around, which is nice. It's fun to drive. The car itself has 200 and something thousand Ks on it. So the gearbox factory manual, probably the same gearbox since it came out on the, off the showroom floor. So it's probably been running this gearbox since it came out of Toyota. It's probably not unlikely that the gearbox has just shat itself. So yeah, I'm hoping it's something better than that, better news than that, but realistically, it's probably going to be a new gearbox, which I'm not really looking forward to doing since it's not going to be a cheap exercise. I think R154s are $3,000, somewhere around there. Or maybe if it's not in the worst shape, I can get it rebuilt, but that's just me hoping. Well, the thing everyone probably wants to hear is how it sounds. So I'm going to chuck this camera down and give her a kick in the guts, and hopefully she starts. Not a bad sounding car at all. I would have given it some more, but still cold, and it hasn't actually driven in ages. I don't know. It's a JZ, she'll probably be able to take it, but once everything's fixed on it, I'll give you guys a good showing and maybe get her sideways for you. I know today I didn't really get much done. I think I'll end it off there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a good night. See ya.